So you might be wondering why you can't send messages on Messenger. I'm going to walk you through a few different steps that you can go through to definitely get that fixed. Now, let's open up Messenger first. And if you're trying to send any messages on here, it could be not delivering the message or not showing up at all. When you hit send, it's just not showing up. There are a few different things that we can do. Let's hop out of here and open up Safari, and we're just going to type in speed test and do a Google search for speed test. Now I'm going to run a quick speed test and make sure that you have fast enough internet to be able to send any of the messages on Messenger. If that looks good, anything say faster than 5 megabytes per second, then you're good to go. And the next thing that we'll do is we'll type in is Messenger down. Now we want to make sure, I'll tap on down detector here. We want to make sure that the Messenger app itself is not down, and that's not the reason why you're not able to send any messages. And if we scroll down here, you can see there's no big spikes in reported outages on Facebook Messenger, so that's not the issue. If you do see a bunch of spikes and a bunch of reported outages, that's the reason, and you'll just have to wait until Messenger goes back up and the servers get back up and running. Now, the last thing that you can do is let's hop out of here and open up our settings, and we'll tap on General and then iPhone Storage. Now, this will load up all of our apps, and we will find Messenger on here somewhere. Let's scroll down. Somewhere on here should be Messenger. There it is. So we want to offload this app and then reinstall the app. And basically what this does is it resets and force installs a new version of Messenger. So you get the latest version, and a lot of times it fixes any kind of glitches, it clears the cache, and is just a good thing to do to fix any different kind of app. Once that's reinstalled, then we can always just go back into Messenger, and you should be able to send and receive any messages you want. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.